Only 20 years old, a king who set out to conquer the world? History's most dangerous king who never lost a battle. Alexander the Great. The year was 356 BC. The place was Macedonia. A young boy was born named Alexander. From childhood, Alexander was special. His father, Philip II of Macedon, a brilliant and powerful king, and his mother, Olympias, were both renowned for their hobbies and passions. Everyone saw something different in him. And then the great philosopher Aristotle took on the responsibility of educating this young boy, where everything was not just education, but thought and knowledge that enlightened his mind. This was not just a relationship between a master and a student. This was the preparation of a future King Alexander the Great. Only 20 years old, and this young boy had become king. His father, Philip II, was no longer in this world. He had been murdered. But a fire burned in Alexander's heart. His mission was simple: to conquer the entire world. With each passing day, his resolve grew stronger. He rallied his troops, inspiring them with dreams of glory and greatness. The loyalty of his men was unshakable as they prepared to follow him into the unknown. As the dawn broke over the battlefield, Alexander felt the weight of history upon his shoulders. The battle was fierce, but Alexander's resolve never wavered. With each swing of his sword, he carved a path to victory. The battlefield fell silent as the dust settled, a testament to his unmatched prowess. The echo of victory rang through the air as Alexander claimed yet another triumph. But with victory came the burden of leadership and choices that would shape history. Plans were drawn, aspirations set high as the next chapter of his journey began to unfold. Under the starlit sky, Alexander pondered the legacy he would leave behind. With each decision, he felt the weight of destiny guiding him towards greatness. The march towards the next conquest began, a testament to Alexander's insatiable thirst for adventure. Each step taken brought them closer to uncharted lands and unknown challenges. The sight of the legendary city ignited a fire within him, propelling him forward.